How to change the stylus handwriting stroke width in Google Keyboard or GBoard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, scroll down and then tap on Keyboard List in default. Now in here, tap on GBoard, then tap on Write in Text Fields. Now in here, scroll down, and in the handwriting stroke width property, you can drag the slider bar to the left to make the stroke width thinner, or you can make it thicker by dragging the slider bar to the right hand side. You can also set it back to normal, which is the default for handwriting stroke width. So here we make it extra thick, and if I try to use it, try it. So just right next. So I can't test it out from here. So it doesn't let me try it out. So we can try it out from an app instead. So that is the thickness of the writing. If we change it, so here if I change it so that I'll make it thin, and I go back to my keyboard, and then you can see the writing is now a thin line. And that's it. This is how you can change it on the Samsung Galaxy S25 for Google Keyboard. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.